Hi, everyone. Just want to quickly introduce myself. I am Dr. Todd Born. I'm a naturopathic physician and certified nutrition specialist with 15 years of patient care clinical practice. I've also have 13 years of advising and consulting the dietary supplement industry, laboratory diagnostics industry, as well as pharmaceutical industry on all matters related to health. And based upon many requests over the years from patients, families, friends, other acquaintances that they're really like, you should kind of set something up where you can give these educational videos and educate the public, educate other healthcare practitioners, because I do speak quite a bit at continuing medical education, certified medical conferences and podcasts. But really, I like to do these 3 to 6 minute videos twice a week where I'll be discussing everything medical, everything dietary supplements, everything laboratory diagnostics, things, as well as more contemporary topics that may be coming out where I will hopefully be able to dispel some myths and give some people some insight and education to how things are going. My expertise is in, as far as medicine, would be covering naturopathic, functional, and integrative medicines to treat complex chronic disease. I have 100% telehealth practice where 70% of my patient base is across the United States, 30% is global. And I do see a lot of acutes and things of that nature, but not as much anymore since it is telehealth. So I'm limited into only certain things like complex chronic disease. And why most people end up seeing me would be that they're difficult to treat, or they've got this bizarre constellation of symptoms and no one really knows what's going on. So they get referred to me by a family, a friend, another clinician to try to help figure things out. Of course, I do see your routine, autoimmune diseases, but most people, again, are sent to me because they're difficult to treat and maybe they've been non-responders. I'm also an expert consultant to a lot of dietary supplement companies where we do formulations, or I do formulations, and I cover medical affairs and scientific affairs, regulatory affairs, compliance, business, and marketing strategy. And part of my goal here is to dispel a lot of the myths that are out there about the dietary supplement industry. So again, you can follow me across Instagram and TikTok and LinkedIn and Facebook, where I'll be doing these educational videos between 3 and 6 minutes, sometimes less, sometimes a little more, where I'm going to be covering topics. You'll also have the ability to comment and also send me topics that you would like for me to speak about for educational purposes. No medical advice will be given, but it's really more to guide people into understanding and navigating this complex medical system and their own health issues, as well as dispel myths about certain laboratory diagnostics, particularly in the direct-to-consumer channel, as well as the dietary supplement industry, because it gets a bad rap, and we'll have one of those videos where we'll discuss why it gets a bad rap and what to be looking for and what's safe and maybe what's not so safe. So hopefully you enjoy these, and I look forward to producing a lot of great content for everyone.